Hey guys, welcome back to Motion Byte, and in this video we will be learning about the different types of data we work with in Arduino. So, a data type basically tells us the type of data a variable can contain like integer, strings, etc. Note that the Arduino language is based on C and C++ programming language. So, all the rules and characteristics of C and C++ apply here. The method to establish a variable is by first defining the data type followed by the variable name, which is then followed by its value using an equal to symbol. Let us now study the different data types, starting with int, that is integer. The int data type is used to store integer values. The value must be in the range of minus 32,768 to 32,767. This is because the int data type occupies 2 bits or 16 bits of memory. So 2 to the power 16 is 65,536. Thus, the numbers between minus 32,768 positive 32,767 including 0 are the values it can store. Number 2. Float. This is used to store floating point numbers or decimal numbers. It can be as large as 3.402 e plus 38 and as low as minus 3.402 e plus 38. Note, in Arduino, we use an uppercase e or lowercase e to represent exponent like 2.34 times 10 raised to 5 can be written as 2.34 e5. Similarly, 67 times 10 raised to minus 12 is written as 67 e minus 12. Number 3. Long. This also stores numbers but occupies more space of about 64 bits or 8 bytes. Its range is as shown here. Number 4. Unsigned and signed. These keywords are used before other data types to define the value is positive or negative. Signed means it can contain positive and negative values, but unsigned means it can store only positive values. There are two ways to define a variable as signed or unsigned, either to use the keyword before the data type or add an capital U after the value for unsigned. By default, in Arduino, the variable is considered as signed if not defined. Number 5. Char. It is used to store character values. Here, single quotes are used to store the character, like char my char equals a. Here, char is the keyword, my char is the variable we have created, and a is the character assigned. Now, the value stored in the variable my char is 65 and not a. This is because the characters are stored by their respective number as per the ASCII table. In this table, each character, including white space, has got a numeric value. Here you can find a unique number for each character. Number 6. String. The string data type is used to store a collection of characters similar to that in C language. All the valid declarations of C are applicable here. Number 7. Array. An array is a collection of variables that are accessed with an index number. Arrays are zero indexed, which means the counting starts from 0. So, while accessing an array, the maximum index you can access is n-1, where n is the length of the array. Number 8. Bool. The bool, or sometimes called as boolean, holds only two values, true or false. These are used in creating logic in a sketch. Number 9. Byte. A byte stores an 8-bit unsigned number, that is, from 0 to 255. It is written as shown. Byte variable equals 1001111. This is just an example. Here, the value is stored in the form of binary system. Number 10. Void. The void is used to declare functions which are not expected to return any information to the function where it was called. In the Arduino sketch, you can see void setup and void loop. These functions do not return any value. But if you want to create a function to return some value, then you can use data type such as int. If you have watched till here, then make sure to hit the like button and share this video. Subscribe to Motion Byte for more upcoming tutorials.